Introducing the 2020 BMW 330i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, heated seats, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a 20 gigabyte hard drive, and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.